there, home bakers! Today I'm going to show you how to make the best, most delicious moist banana bread ever. Grab a pen, because you'll want to jot this down. First things first, make sure you have 6 to 8 large ripe bananas. The riper, the better. Mash them up into a smooth, gooey consistency. Trust me, this is where all the flavor comes from. Next, mix 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of light brown sugar into the mashed bananas. The brown sugar adds a rich caramel-like flavor that's just unbeatable. Now melt 1 cup of butter. Let it cool for a minute, then pour it into the mixture. Stir it all together until it's well combined. 5 eggs come next. Crack them in and mix thoroughly. Follow up with 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract for that extra depth of flavor. In a separate bowl, combine 2 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Slowly fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Don't overmix. You want everything just combined. Now, divide the batter evenly into 2 loaf pans. Pop them into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 50 minutes. Your kitchen's gonna smell amazing. Once they're done, let them cool before you cut into them. I know it's hard to wait, but it's worth it. When you slice through that perfectly moist banana bread, you'll understand why. Enjoy your homemade banana bread with a cup of coffee or just by itself. And hey, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy baking!